Welcome to Ask Tamiko, where I hop behind the camera and answer your most pressing baby sleep questions. And today's question comes from Ashanti, who is a busy mom to twins who are 3 months old. And Ashanti writes, I have a 3-month-old twins. Most nights they sleep about 6 hours, but I'm about to go back to work and feel they don't get enough sleep in a day. They may take 1 or 2 naps a day. My son will nap for 2 to 3 hours. My daughter naps for 20 to 60 minutes. At night, we usually do a bottle, a little awake time, if it's not bath night, and the bed. On bath nights, it's bath, bottle, then bed. What can I do to improve their sleep habits? So Ashanti, first of all, I want to commend you for preparing yourself to go back to work. This is a big change that most moms go through. So kudos to you for getting prepared for this big transition. So the first thing that I would recommend is, number one, we want to get your babies into a good schedule during the day. So you mentioned that your son will sleep for 2 to 3 hours and your daughter sleeps for 20 to 60 minutes. I don't know if you mean that's per day or if that's at a stretch. Basically, for naps, you want your babies to be sleeping anywhere from 1.5 hours to 2 hours per nap. That is the goal, right? If they wake up between 20 and 30 minutes, then you want to go in and help them fall back asleep because they're really not done with their nap. Basically, what's happened is that they have finished a sleep cycle. My second tip for you is that you also want to be sure that if you're going to have a nanny or have someone else taking care of your kids when you are at work, that they are on board too with the schedule and the routine that you're going to set in place. There's nothing more frustrating than working hard, getting your babies ready for you to go back to work, and then somebody coming behind you and derailing all your success. So definitely have that frank conversation with them before you head back to work. And I have no doubt that your little ones will be taking better naps in no time. Hey girl, Tamiko here, and let me ask you a question. How many times were you up last night with your baby? Once, twice, 3 times or more? Now here's the bigger question. What did you have to do to get your baby back to sleep? Did you have to rock her, bounce her, or feed her all night long? And then when you wake up in the morning, you're super tired, exhausted, and frustrated, and you may even find yourself asking, how the heck do I get this baby to sleep through the night? Well, girl, I hear you, and good news is I can help. I want to introduce you to the Feel Like Yourself Again Baby Sleep Solution, or FLYA as the cool kids call it. Now, FLYA is my proven step-by-step system where I will walk you through the 6 steps you need to follow to easily teach your baby to sleep longer stretches through the night. And what makes FLYA different than all those other methods out there is that I show you how to understand your little one's personality and use it to your advantage to get them to sleep through the night. And no, I will not tell you to close the door and let your baby cry it out. Instead, I will show you what to do, why we're doing it, and how to do it properly so that it's easy for you to get results. Now, all you have to do is click the link below me in this video to learn all about FLYA and to snag your seat. Now, promise me one thing before I go. Promise me that you'll get off the DIY cycle of sleepless nights and take one action that will help your family get a good night's sleep. Listen, I believe in you. Your baby can totally sleep through the night. You're a great mama. I'm a great teacher, and I know together we will be unstoppable. So again, visit the link right below me in this video. When you get there, just enter your name and your email address, and then you'll be taken right on over to the page that will tell you all the details you need to know about FLYA. And I will see you on the other side. God bless you and sweet dreams.